Today, we're gonna go from this to this. Wow, that looks better. Today, I'm gonna be reorganizing the coffee area with this organizer. Technically, it's an under the sink organizer, but it can be an anything organizer. And I'm gonna organize the coffee. I'm also gonna show you how to put it together, and then I will give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Okay, so at first I thought I was missing something because I said, oh no, the screws are not here. But then I realized that they make it so easy to put it together with these little pegs. You don't need screws. Step one is to put these in here. Step two is take this piece and put it on here. Now this one has an adjustable height. So you can make it much taller, or you can make it a little bit shorter, or you can make it even shorter. Personally, I think I'm going to go with the middle one. Step three is to hang the basket. Step four, we put in these little inserts so that nothing falls through the grates. Then they also give you little hooks that you can put on the side of the basket. So there are 2 screws in here, but they are optional. They are a drawer stop. So if you want to stop this from sliding, you can put them right here in these holes. And then if you go to slide it, it stops them from sliding all the way out. Me personally, I don't think these are necessary for where I'm going to have it, so I'm going to leave them out. They also give you these little pads to put on the bottom. If you want to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere, there's also a dual-sided sticky part. So you could take this off and stick it to the counter. But I like to move things around, so I'm just going to use these as padding. My coffee area is a total mess, so this couldn't have come in at a better time. Sliding into place. Wow, that looks better. Holy bananas.